welcome our new and colleague, Nico. Hi, Survey. Alright, there you go. Now, Nico is a very responsible bird. He loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here our sample trashes, and Nico is going to show us how to clean up this mess. Now, check this out. He picked up a plastic cup, walked all the way. Open the bin, buddy. Okay, open the bin and shove it inside. Okay, now the empty can, Nico. Okay, he picked up the empty can, open the bin again and drop it inside. Now, we grab a paper. Last one, what did you do it? Okay, he picked up the paper, open the bin again and drop it inside. Now, see if the birds can do what that we right? So, always remember to put all your trashes in the trash bin. As the saying goes, cleanliness next to
Godliness!
yes, godliness, that's correct. Now everyone, Amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, has something to tell us. What do you want to say, Amigo? Put it up, buddy. Ready? They're all waiting for you. What do you want to say? Alright, welcome to the Sparks Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now, here's what they do with macaws and flying the party. Wait, there's more. Good job. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hari, Hariman, Tony, Carl, and Carl, and one green-winged macaw named Rico. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So when they are surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Now they're tired, they will not take the right of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And I guess I'm going back home to get their food. Now, a round of applause for flying macaws. Alright, now our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. So I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo!
Louder, please say Jumbo.
Jumbo!
Alright. So here's our another green macaw named Jumbo. Now, buddy, why don't you wave hi at them? Say hi, everyone, hi. Hi. Can you wave back and say hi, Jumbo?
Hi, Jumbo!
Alright. Now, macaws have very long tail and feathers. It can reach up to 3 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around? This one, another one? Alright, different, wow. Now, we can see most of their colors outside their bodies, and they have less color under its wings. Now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings? Good job. Let's do that. Say wings. Okay, now let's talk about their feet. Now, macaws' feet are called zygodactylous. That means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. So they use their feet to hold up things and climb. Now, Mr. Rootleg has ground up, and you will place it inside the plastic basket and check this out. Jumbo, careful and look to the plastic basket and get his reward. So, we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I have said earlier, Jumbo is a very special intelligent bird. You want to know why?
Why?
Why? Well, it's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Okay, now we prepared to test for Jumbo, but first let's have the strategy test. Now I have your 5 animal pictures: the camel, the snake, the tiger, the zebra, and the horse. Now I want you to choose one animal picture. One animal picture, please. Okay, tiger. I've also heard zebra. Now let's have a competition, alright? Who likes to go for the tiger? How about the zebra? Okay, let's have the zebra with the service. Okay, well, Mr. First is preparing the jungle nerd. Let's have a short interview with Mr. Rootleg. Hi, Mr. Rootleg. How are you today? Wow, that's great. Now, Mr. Rootleg, where did Jumbo originally came from? South America, but he goes to stay here in the Philippines, right? Wow, that's great. Now we're all set, buddy. Look at the picture carefully. It's a zebra. And what is the spelling of the zebra, Jumbo? Are you ready, Jumbo? What is the first letter, buddy? Okay, he picked up the letter E, and that's the second letter. Now for the third letter, he picked up the letter B. Okay, do you happen to know what is the first letter?
Yeah.
Okay, he goes for the fourth letter, which is the letter R. picked out the letter A. Now, zebra spelled Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. But I think it's easy for Jumbo. Now, let's make it more difficult. Now, after the study test, we will be having the mathematical test. Now, let's have an addition. Now, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. First number, please.
4.
4?
Yes.
Okay, 4. How about this side? 7. Okay, 4 plus 7. Okay, what is 4 plus 7? Okay, it's a secret for now. Now, Mr. Roten, what is Jumbo's favorite food? What makes it smart? Okay, Jumbo loves to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. So, kids, don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies because it will make you smart just like our bird Jumbo. Mr. Roten, do you happen to know what's Jumbo's favorite subject? English and math. Wow, that's great. Now, look at the equation carefully. It's 4 plus 7. Now, what is 4 plus 7, Jumbo? Ready, Jumbo? Okay, first number, you pick up the number 1. We'll see the second number. Second